Hello, today I'm in FOTON Tunland. In this video I'll show you how to change radio station. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. Now enter radio and select radio station from presets 1 to 5. Skip to next radio station or go to radio station list. You can also dial radio station manually and save radio stations as favorites. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.